guys, it's Christina from Redefine Creative, and I am back with an unboxing video for Cheeky Studio. And so I am showing you the things that I got sent to work with for the month of March. And so I'm super excited. So I'm going to jump right in. We have beautiful tissue paper, just like always. And then I have a couple of different collections and then an individual set. And so this one is the monthly words set. And I really love this because it has all of our months in this really great scripty font, which is amazing. But then it also has some little additions. So we've got these really cute black and white polka dot bows, and then we've got some sequins that match. And so I love that all of this comes together, and that it's also going to help me create consistency. So if I wanted to use these on a project, like in a traveler's notebook, for example, to do like a monthly spread, every single month is going to be this consistent color palette and design, and then I can do whatever I want with the rest of my page. So I really like that idea. And I also really like the idea of playing with these in a grid layout. So I may do something like that, creating one layout with these. But super fun. So those are the monthly words. And then the one that I'm super excited about is this collection. It's called Panda-modium. And so just as always with Cheeky Studio, you are getting just a ton of pieces. So, oh, look at that cute little hearts. Okay, so real quickly, I'm not going to go through every single one, but we have all kinds of different little adorable pandas. Oh, look at this guy. We've got some butterflies in there. These are just way too cute, you guys. Super cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. These are adorable. These are so going in my daughter's traveler's notebook. Super cute. We have some lots and lots of pandas. This one with the little bamboo. Oh, that one's adorable. Oh, and look at the balloon. How cute. All right, these are way too cute. Those are going to make some adorable projects. I love this collection. This one is super cute. All right, we also have in Panda-modium, we have the sequin mix that goes along with it. So it's kind of got all different shades of, there's like greens and a dark green, a goldish kind of yellow, a clear. So those are going to be really fun. They really match the bamboo perfectly. And then we also have the flare. And so there are 5 flare badges. So we have those same panda bears. We have this one that says leaf love, don't worry, be happy. And then this really beautiful ombre one on the back. Super cute. So this one is by far the one I'm most excited about using. I love the other one too, but this one is going to be super fun. And it's different than anything else I have, which I absolutely love. And I think I can pull out some of my older Bella Boulevard popsicles and pandas, or pandas and popsicles, whichever way that collection worked. And see if I can incorporate some of that to bring some new life back to that older stash. All right, this second collection is called Pink and Cream Bouquets. And so let's start with the flare, which is super gorgeous. So we've got a leaf, hope, dream, love, and then like a little box full of flowers. Super cute color palette this time. So very muted pastel, very much says spring. We also have the sequin mix for this one. And so this one is similar to the other one, except this is more of the pinks and reds, where the other one is more of the greens and yellows. So a little bit of purple, some reddish pink, some white, a little bit of that green. Really pretty colors in there. I also got a couple of pieces in here. I don't think these are from this collection. I think these are just pieces that she has in the store. So we've got Slap Happy in a real thick, nice wood veneer. And then we also have Cheeky. And this one is, it's like a real thin acrylic, but this one you'd want to be careful with, because it seems like this one is going to be a little more fragile than the wood veneer. So there's that one. And then another ephemera pack, which is super packed. Like there's no way I could use all of this on 1 or 2 projects. This is a lot of projects worth of stuff. All right, and so I'm just going to flip through really quickly. Look at these gorgeous flowers, you guys. They have kind of a watercolored look to them. Really pretty pinks and peaches. And then you have some of that like almost like a wine color mixed in. It adds a really, really cool difference. So you've got all this pastel, and then you've got that really nice pop of that vibrant wine color, which if you know me, you know that's how I like to scrapbook, with color and pops of kind of a darker or an unexpected color. Oh, that one's gorgeous. But look at how many pieces there are, you guys. There's tons. So we've got some wreaths, more of those boxes. You just get tons and tons and tons of pieces. I love it. Super, super, super awesome. All right, so these are super cool wreaths. These would make a really cool circular grid layout because you have so many. So these are the 3 things that I'm going to be working with in the month of March. I am super, super, super excited. Definitely head over to Cheeky Studio, and there's a link down below as well as a coupon code to get you a discount. And I hope that you will grab some of these goodies to play along with me this month, and I'll be back to see you soon.